Good evening, friends. As we have done earlier, the chapter political parties, I am continuing the topic with functions of political parties. Our most important function in political parties that they shape the public opinion. How they shape the public opinion? Because they raise and highlight issues. Which type of issues? As you can see in current political scenario, so many issues have been covered either by the ruling party or by the opposition parties. So they launch the movements also, they generate the public opinion. Next, the parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes. When we are saying that people access to government machinery, that means people can easily approach the governmental policies, the governmental people. So all the welfare schemes have been launched by the government for the welfare of ordinary citizen. So it is very easy to approach a local leader than a government officer. So if we are going to conclude, what we will say that they have the responsiveness. They stands for political parties. So they are answerable to people. Otherwise, people can reject these parties in the next elections if they are not doing their duties properly. So, if we are going to study the scenario that how the modern democracies cannot exist without political parties, just imagine a situation if no political party is there, it will be just like an anarchy. When I am saying the term anarchy, what does it mean? No law and order. So, every candidate in the elections will be independent. Now, we are imagining certain situations where if no political party will be there, no one be able to make promises to the people. The government may be formed, but its utility will remain uncertain. We will not be sure what the government will do or not do. Elected representatives will be accountable to their own constituency. So that means in modern democracy, political parties are the true face of the public opinion. So that means if we are going to say the necessity of political parties, it is generally noticed that village gets split into more than one faction, each of which puts up a panel of its candidates. So what we are going to say that the non-party based elections to the panchayat, that is we are dealing with panchayati raj system. Next, these parties they fulfill the needs and representatives. So that means if the political parties they gather different views on various issues, they bring various representatives together and a mechanism to support the various government policies. Now we are going to start with very important types of political systems as can be divided into three major type of political systems. First, we are having one party system. China is the best example where only one political party is allowed to control and run the government. So when we are going to say something about two party system, that is where there is existence of only two political parties, one will form the government and other will act as a opposition party. We can say USA, United Kingdom are the examples of two party system. And in the final stage, we are coming at multi-party system, as India is the best example where more than two parties have a reasonable chance of coming to power. And in multi-party system, coalition government is observed. What is this coalition government? When no single party is able to win the majority, then they will join hands together and form the government. So which type of political system do we have for India? That is multi-party system, generating true public opinion, forming the government, and in the end, true political representation. Yes, students, we have done the major three types of political systems. Rest I will be covering in my next video. Thanks, and please give your important, valuable comments. Thank you so much.